Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So there's quite a lot of packages finally arrived which I ordered last Christmas, and right now what we have is the new UPS coming from Prolink, which is a 1200 VA 720 watts PRO1201SFT UPS, or uninterrupted power supply. So I decided to buy this one because last year there is quite a lot of power interruptions and brownout, which is very annoying, especially if you are in the middle of editing and you haven't saved for quite a while. So I decided last Christmas to finally buy one. And aside from that, the UPS is also a great way to protect your $1,000 PC. And so yeah, it's hitting two birds in one stone. So right now, let's try to do the unboxing and let's see if this $100 UPS will be able to power up my PC, which is right now the main components is a Ryzen 7 5800X and RTX 2070 Super graphics card with around 4 storage drives, or was it 5 already, and some more components like lightings and 2 monitors, or maybe I'm actually planning to only use one monitor plug-in in this particular UPS. So I hope it will be able to power it up. Alright, so let's proceed with the unboxing. Okay, so this is actually quite a big box. I haven't expected it to be this big, but anyway, let's try to open it. I don't have my knife, so let's just be using this particular scissor that we got in the kitchen. Okay, so there we have the box. So here is the Prolink super fast charging speeds, or that's what we are promoting. Okay, opening now the box itself. Let's see what we have inside. Is this great way to open it, or maybe the opposite side? Remove it out of its box. Another box inside a box. Okay, so there you have it. I hope that is the final box. Okay, so out of the box we have again another box, which is the real one for now. So here you can see Prolink, the brand PRO1201SFT, super fast interactive UPS with touchscreen. Ooh, touchscreen display panel. Nice. I didn't know about that one. But opening it, and this is what we got inside the box. So the first one is, of course, this is the power cable, although I think this is directly connected to your UPS, which we are going to be removing right now. Our new UPS from Prolink. It's pretty heavy. So one more plastic and good to go. Alright, so this is our UPS. Anyway, if you are very new in getting a UPS, it's really better if you read the manual involved. It's very rarely needed, but for starters like us, yeah, you need to read how to perform the installation. So especially this particular part, will never connect a printer or scanner in the CPS because it will damage both the UPS and the unit itself. Okay, so for best results, we need to charge the battery 6 hours before we try it for initial use. So perfect, let's try this one tomorrow morning. So I will be charging first this CPS the whole night. So see you tomorrow morning, guys. Alright guys, so it's been more than 10 hours already since we started charging this one. It's now morning, but before we proceed with testing it with the PC, let's check first what are on the back side of our UPS. So in here, you can see here the location of the fuse, some Ethernet ports or LAN cables. Then we have 4 plugs with battery backups and additional 2 more, which is a bypass wherein there is no battery in here, but there is an ADR. So yeah, you have a total of 6 connections, with 4 of which are connected to the battery of our UPS. So let's try to boot up our PC. Okay, so let's connect our main power supply for the PC in one of the UPS battery power. Okay, then we plug also for our monitor, one of our main monitor. So we might be adding some more later, but let's try to see first if this will actually work. Right, that's fully secure, and let's try to power this one on. Of course, turn it on, and we have here. Right, so I guess that's turned on. Let's try to open our PC. I forgot, we need to press the power button first. Right, so I guess that's on. Yep. The lights are now on, so it should be working. Okay, so this one is okay. Let's try plugging it off and see if the battery is working. Okay, so right now, since this one is working, let's check if the battery will still work, the backup battery, once we turn off the power supply. Okay. Okay now, so yep, it is still working, guys. We are now running in battery backup, so we're still not sure how long it will take, but at least we can now turn off our computer prior it consumes all its battery.
Yes, some things never change, like how I'm holding on tight to you.